Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and choose connections. Now you need to click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, you need to wait for the pop-up to show up and click OK. Then wait for this device, in my case Nokia, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you need to click on this little icon next to the device and choose Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!